In this video, we will be working with enumerated types. Enumerated types are useful when working with variables that you'd like to only be assigned known specific values. For example, an enumerated variable called player choice used in a program to simulate a game of rock, paper, scissors should be either rock, paper, or scissors. Another example would be an enumerated variable named suit used in a program to simulate a game of poker. Should be either club, spade, heart, or diamond. Any attempts to assign these variables any other values than the ones used to define it will result in an error. Enumerated types cannot be defined within another method. They can be defined within a class as long as the definition is outside of any methods within that class, or they can be defined outside of a class. So let's first type the variable type. In this case, it will be enum, short for enumerated. Next, we will give the variable of type enum a name. In this case, it will be player choice. Finally, we will set it equal to the valid values the variable will be capable of having inside of braces. For this example, the valid values will be rock, paper, or scissors, separated by comma. The name that we give to the variable of type enum will be used to declare variables that will only be allowed to possess the values assigned to it initially. By typing player choice, player 1, player 2, we have declared two separate variables, the first called player 1 and the second called player 2 of the enumerated type player choice. Both variables have yet to have been assigned a value. However, they are now only capable of possessing the values rock, paper, or scissors. We'll assign rock to the player 1 variable by typing player 1 equals player choice dot rock. Similarly, we'll assign paper to player 2 variable by typing player 2 equals player choice dot paper. Variables of the enum type are able to use methods predefined in the java.lang.enum package. One of the methods available to the enum variables is ordinal. By typing system.out.println and then in parentheses player1.ordinal, 0 will be printed to the console, as 0 is the ordinal value of the index at which rock, the value we assigned to player 1, is stored. Similarly, system.out.println, and in this case in the parentheses we'll put scissors.ordinal, will print out 2 to the console. Another method available to enum variables is name. Typing system.out.println and then in parentheses player1.name will print out rock, the value we assigned to the player 1 variable. Notice that if a value other than rock, paper, or scissors had been assigned to any variable of type player choice, an error would have occurred.